Taxi operator caught in a tussle on video with a police officer has been slapped with several charges. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have the details of this to come on the program. We'll be right back after this short break. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the details. Officers from the Clarendon Police Division have arrested and charged 25-year-old Kemar Dunkley, a taxi operator of Victoria District, Rochester in Clarendon, with multiple charges after he engaged in a heated confrontation with a member of the security force in Maypen, Clarendon on Thursday, March 4th. The incident, which was captured on video, had spread virally on social media. Dunkley has been charged with the following: dangerous driving, disobeying a constable, resisting arrest, assaulting a police officer, assault occasioning bodily harm, and malicious destruction of government property. The charges relate to the incident that began unfolding about 9 a.m., during which Dunkley reportedly attacked and assaulted the police officer after the cop attempted to charge him for a traffic offense. It is alleged that Dunkley disobeyed the policeman's signal to stop, then subsequently exited the vehicle and physically assaulted the lawman during the tussle. After the fracas, Dunkley was arrested and taken to the Maypen police station, where he was formally charged. His court date is yet to be finalized, the police advised, as they carried out their investigation in order to ascertain what was the real motive behind this fracas that went viral on social media. This has been Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll have an updated report to come on this story in a later newscast. Thanks for watching.